Yo, what up? It's your boy Black with Black TV. We'll give you reviews and hip hop news. And today, P. Diddy finally got a lawyer for his crazy sexual trafficking case. He got no other than Brian Steele. That's right, baby. That Brian Steele that got Young Thug off the YSL trial. Well, kind of got him off the YSL trial, however you want to put it. For a long time, ever since P. Diddy been locked up in prison, he been taking L after L after L. The feds released a tape of him running Cassie down in a hotel, beating up on her. A guy that was alleged being his drug mule got locked up and trying to pin drugs on him on the airplane. And all these accusations from men trying to put him down, but most of them got thrown out. Top it all off, he's been denied bail multiple times.
Sean Diddy Combs' legal team is getting a little smaller. As the rap mogul's defense team prepares for his May trial on sex trafficking charges, his attorney Anthony RICO respectfully but regrettably requested to be dismissed from his role, according to documents obtained by NBC News. RICO, who is one of 6 attorneys on the case, requested in the February 21st filing to withdraw as representation because, quote, under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs, consistent with the ABA standards for criminal justice. The motion continues, quote, while I'm aware that the local rule requires that an application for withdrawal of counsel is supported and granted only upon a showing by affidavit or otherwise of satisfactory reasons for withdrawal, there are sufficient reasons related to the protections afforded by the attorney-client privilege for brevity in my application for withdrawal as counsel in this case. RICO noted that there wouldn't be a lapse in representation since the rapper, who's been charged with racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution, to which he's pleaded not guilty, will continue to be represented by 5 other attorneys on record and will not delay court proceedings. Despite confirming that he and lead counsel Mark Agnifilo discussed this decision, RICO did not expand further on his decision to withdraw from the case. E! News has reached out to RICO and Combs' legal team for comment and has not heard back.
So yeah, basically he has other sub lawyers helping him out with the case, but he doesn't really have a head lawyer. What I don't understand is how come like Carmela Anthony got a bail and all these other people got bail, but P. Diddy didn't even get a bail and most of these charges been thrown out. But today, Brian Steele actually signed documentations. I don't know how Diddy actually got Brian Steele, but Brian Steele actually signed the paperwork today. Basically, it says United States District Court, Southern District of New York, United States versus Sean Combs, pursuant to local rules of the United States courts of the Southern and Eastern Districts of New York, Brian Steele hereby moves this court for an order for admission to practice pro vice to appear as counsel for Sean Combs, defendant in above captioned action. I am a member in good standing of the bar state of Georgia, and there are no pending disciplinary proceedings against me in any state of the federal court. Blah, blah, blah. I have never been convicted of a felony. I have never been disbarred or denied admissions or readmissions of any court. I have been administratively suspended and censored by courts, provided the facts and circumstances surrounding those instances in the attached, whatever that word is, pursuant in local rule 1.3. And then, got his law firm right there. So yeah, Brian Steele is not losing no cases at all, bruh. Even with the YSL trial, he was even against for Young Thug to plead guilty because he knew that he was going to win that trial.
Collective opinion, Jeffrey would have been found not guilty of everything. So this is very painful. But that's another 3 months or so in custody. And he wants to go home to his family. And Negotiations totally broke down with the district attorney's office. Horribly broke down. And at that point, we believed that justice would be found with the honorable court. And Jeffrey just wanted to go home. How agonizing it is to know that we've spent a year trying a case where the prosecutors have put on lies, knowing lies, hiding evidence, is insane in 2024 in the United States of America. And the only reason that this got revealed is because of you people. You people brought the truth to the community, because nobody knows this. This is not the only courtroom it's happening in, and I just want to thank all of you. I especially want to thank Jeffrey for letting me represent him. I think he's a wonderful person who does wonderful things and will continue to do things even greater.
So yeah, now the Diddy case has gotten real good. You have a lawyer that actually has an outstanding record on winning cases, and P. Diddy actually got him. This is gonna be a real good. This is something I'm gonna cover. So stay tuned. But the most important question is, what is your thoughts on Brian Steele representing Diddy? Do you think Diddy has a awesome, great chance of winning this case, or do you think Diddy is done for? Diddy do it? Put that in the comment section below. Hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And until next time, I holla next time on Black TV.